Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. So regular expression for even number of A's and even number of B's. Regular expression of even number of A's and even number of. Okay. Now tell me what is going to be the regular expression. Regular expression of even number of A's and even number of B's means it will have epsilon because number of A, number of B here is 0. A, B, B, A, B, B, A. Equal number of A's and number of B's should be equal. Not equal, even. Okay, like 4, 4A. Okay, like B, 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 even. Like this. A plus BB star. The regular expression for that. See, AB is a string which is having even number of A and even number of B, but your regular expression will not able to generate this. It means it is not correct. Means it is not correct. How to see it? Try to generate some string which is having even number of A and B and see whether this is generating or not. So tell me whether it is correct or not. Okay. This is easy to eliminate. Why I was doing so much, and no one, even you people also haven't told that it is generating even BA. Only BA is also it is generating, but it is not having even number of A and B. See, it is generating BA also. It is incorrect. वही तो BA और ABB जनरेट करेगा, ये मैं देखा ही नहीं था. सारा करेक्ट के लिए ही देख रहे थे, लेकिन ये your regular expression should not generate this because it is not having even number of A's and even number of B's. AA star BB star whole star. See, it is like R dot R star. If I'll assume that R dot this again R, so it is like AA plus BB plus. You can simplify this, then star. Now again, if you will not able to generate AB from here, because when A is coming, it is coming in twice. In GATE exam, they will give you the language and you can eliminate by using means for a given that they will give you that which is generating regular expression of even number of A's and even number of B's, and they will give you 4 options. Out of 4 options, by using elimination method, like to eliminate the options, you can do that. Okay, no need to create. Yeah, I can give a hint. You can draw the DFA for that, because directly giving a regular expression for this language, it is difficult. You can construct a DFA, then you try to give the regular expression, then convert by using a state elimination method, and you will get the regular expression. For this, you know that even number of A's and even number of B's, how to construct the DFA. So this is going to be the DFA. Okay, so even I am counting A here and B here. Okay, this shortcut method we know I have taught you in the beginning of the classes. on the DFA only. When construction of minimal DFA, I have taught this thing. Now, by using state elimination method, I am going to do. Okay, so step 1. Since initial state is having the incoming edge, the initial state is having the incoming edge. Okay, so we have to create a new initial state in such a way that by only getting epsilon, we should reach the previous initial state. So you are having a star here. Actually, if I'll say, the regular expression of this is going to be very big. The regular expression that I've got is going to be very big. ठीक है, बड़ा है ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. ये सब क्वेश्चंस अगर एग्जाम में आए ना तो बहुत बच्चे नहीं कर पाएंगे. मेनी स्टूडेंट विल नॉट एबल टू डू. कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे रहते ही हैं कि अगर आप पहले नहीं किए हैं तो वो होने वाला नहीं है. ये भी एक है, वैसा ही क्वेश्चन है. चलिए, सो ट्राई टू जनरेट, check whether it is correct or not. From here I can get AB. Here also I can get AB. Simply see, from here it is plus, I am not getting here anything. From here I am generating. Since it's plus, either you take this or this or this from there. From here I am taking AB. From here epsilon. From here epsilon. You are getting the string AB, which is not an even number of A and even number of B. It is odd number of A and odd number of B. Okay, fine. Now see, take one. It will be better if I'll go to now create one new initial state. Why? Because it is having an incoming edge, and create one final state also because it is having an outgoing edge. The new initial state such that by only getting epsilon it is going to Q0. Now by getting epsilon it should reach to final state, new final state. Okay, and rest will be as it is. This is the step 1 because step 1 and this step rule 1 and rule 2 is violated. Incoming edge should not have any incoming edge, but it is having, so I have created another initial state such that by only getting epsilon we are reaching the new initials. And final state should not have any outgoing. This is also the final state. Final state should not have any outgoing edge. It is having outgoing edge, so we have created another final state. Okay, in such a way that by only getting epsilon we are reaching the new final state. Okay, now the rest will be as it is. Fine. Now I will delete the state Q1. Okay, now in step 2, I will delete the state Q1. Okay, delete the state Q1. Delete the state Q1. So if you will delete the state Q1, see, this you are deleting. Here only I am first deleting so that you can see the transition which you are going to miss and that you have to give. So if we will delete Q1, this, so Q0 by getting it was going to Q1, again by getting it was going to Q0, means you have to give a transition of a loop of AA. That is going to miss if you will delete Q1. That you are going to miss. If you will delete Q1, that transition you are going to miss, so you have given. And if you will delete Q1 here also, so here also loop of BB you are going to miss it. This is a loop B, so you require BB also. Okay, now B and A you are going to miss. Q2 by getting B it was going to Q0, so that also you have to give. Okay, that also you have to give. So I am deleting now Q1. Okay, so if you are deleting Q1, loop I have given, then AB, this you are getting miss, so by getting AB it should go, and BA also you are getting missed. BA you are getting missed. Okay, that also I will now give. Step by step I am showing you. This BA also you are getting. यहाँ पे करते हैं. I was deleting Q1. Will delete Q1. So that transition, see Q0 by getting A, again by getting it was going to Q0. So that transition you are getting miss if you delete Q1. So I have given Q0 by getting A. Now it should go to Q0. Now Q0 को AB मिल रहा था, देखिए AB मिल रहा था तो वो Q2 के पास पहुंच रहा था. तो Q0 by getting AB I have given the transition Q2. Now Q2 by getting B, it was coming to Q2 only. See ये भी एक ट्रांजिशन है. Q1 के थ्रू हम जा रहे थे. So Q2 by getting BB. अब Q2 को जब B और A मिला, देखिए जब B और A मिला तो वो Q0 के पास है. तो जब मैं ये डिलीट करूंगा तो हमें तो ये सब सारे ट्रांजिशन देने पड़ेंगे ना, क्योंकि Q2 के जाने के बाद डेल्टा को इफेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. जो काम Q2 के रहते हुए हो रहा था उससे जाने के बाद भी वही होना चाहिए. तो Q0 AB मिलने से वो Q2 के पास पहुंचना चाहिए, पहले जा रहा था AB से. Q2 को BA मिलने से Q0 के पास जा रहा था तो मैं दे दिया, और Q2 को BB मिलने से अगेन Q2 के पास आ रहा था, Q0 को AA मिलने से अगेन Q0 के पास आ रहा था. तो in the next that only I will draw. Okay, so now to delete this state Q1, so you got what you got, this still state here by getting epsilon, it was here. Q0 you got, and here is your final state QF. Here you got a loop of A. Here by getting AB you went to Q2. Q2 is also having a loop of BB, and by getting here it is your Q3. Just now I draw the things. Okay, so hope it is clear. Step. Now I will delete this state Q, even since it is a big question. Now I will delete this state Q2. Okay, now I will delete this state Q2. Okay, Q2 delete करेंगे, थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिएगा आप लोग. Q2 को अब हम delete करेंगे. So when I will delete this state Q2, how it will look like? तो थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिएगा, ठीक है ना. देखिए, if I delete this state Q2, I am going Q3 by getting AA, it was coming to Q3. When it is having Q2, Q3 by getting A, it was coming to Q3. So that loop I have to give. Q3 by getting AA, it should come to here. So that transition I am going to miss if I delete Q2. Now Q3 by getting A, then any number of BB, since it is in loop, I can put BB star, then by getting BA, it was going to Q0, so see only Q0 and Q3 I am showing you. Okay, so you got A loop. Now A BB star Q3 A BB star, then BA, this Q3 A BB star BA. This transition you are going to miss if you will delete Q2. Now Q0 by getting AB it was going to Q2, then again BB star, any combination of this by getting again A, it will go to Q3. Okay, so AB BB star BB star, then A. Okay, now this is also having a loop. See, Q0 is also having a loop, and one thing we did mistake here, that I have just kept a AA loop, but one mistake that I have did here, that A, then it can have any combination of BB na? So in the middle I have to put a BB star. See here it's a loop of AA, but here it is a loop of BB. Okay, so I have to put a BB star, because it can come na BB star then A, then any combination of BB then A. Okay, that even I missed. Okay, so that now I have written. Is it clear? Now similarly here, AB, then BB star, then BA. It will give a loop of here AB, BB star, then BA. So this you have given. So already it is having one transition of loop A, then AB, BB star, BA, that you have given another loop. Now AB, BB star, A, it will go to Q3. A, BB star, C. It should be, yeah, AB, BB star, A. Then Q3, A, BB star, BA. A, BB star, BA. And this A, BB star, A. This transition you have to write when you delete this state Q2. Is it clear? तो Q2 को डिलीट करते हैं, दूसरे स्टेट में बनाते हैं. डिलीट इट. सो AB का लूप होगा, सॉरी A का लूप था, का लूप है. A का लूप से डिलीट करें तो AB, B स्टार, BA का लूप, BB स्टार, BB स्टार, BA था. ठीक है. फिर 3 पे जाने के लिए तो यहाँ हम कर देते हैं यहाँ पे B, B. एक और क्या होगा, Q3 को क्या था, एक और ट्रांजिशन जो मिला हमें, अभी Q0 से ही देखते हैं. सिंबल आगे पीछे कैसे हो सकता है, अलग हो जाएगा ना. ए बी एक स्ट्रिंग है, बी एक अलग स्ट्रिंग है. ए बी, बी बी स्टार, ए. Q3 पे भी लूप दे देते हैं, पहले ए कर ले, ए बी बी स्टार, ए. सो ए बी, ये पहले से ही था, देखिए ये वाला पहले से ही था, वो मैं लिख दिया वैसे ही. Q0 का यहाँ कोई चेंज नहीं होगी, ये इधर से जो होगा ये भी अब इधर आएगा. तो ए बी, देखिए ए बी, ए बी बी स्टार, बी बी स्टार, ए. ठीक है. सो इसका लूप दे दिए, इसका ट्रांजिशन दे दिए. Q3 का अब Q3 पे देते हैं. Q3 पे क्या है, 3 पे है ए बी बी स्टार, पहले से ए का लूप था उसके पास, 3 के पास ए का लूप था पहले से. देखिए हाँ, से 2 को ये नहीं था यहाँ पे मैंने. ठीक है. देखिए यहाँ पे नहीं था, Q3 इस तरह था. ठीक है. अब हम Q3 को, ये Q2 को जब डिलीट कर रहे हैं तो क्या होगा, ए बी बी स्टार, ए लूप दे देंगे, ए बी बी स्टार, ए. ठीक है, दे दिए ए बी बी स्टार, ए लूप दे दिए. अब Q3 का क्या होगा, ए बी बी स्टार, बी ए, वो Q0 पे जाएगा, Q3 Q0 पे जाएगा. ठीक है. 3 Q0 पे जाएगा, क्या था वो, ए ए ए बी बी स्टार, बी ए बी बी स्टार, बी बी स्टार. सो अभी वेरीफाई कर लो. स्टार ए बी बी स्टार बी ए, ये हमें मिला जब मैं Q2 को डिलीट किया। अब मैं Q3 को डिलीट करेंगे, ठीक है। अब Q3 को डिलीट करेंगे, so now we will delete this state Q3. If I'll delete the, when I will delete the state Q3, E, then this star, whole star, then this we have to write only. How to then write? So it is, see, if you delete here only, I am going to delete, so it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so it's going to be, it's going to create a loop because you are deleting Q3, so it is going to create a loop. Okay, this loop, deleting this, so you are going to get a loop. Okay, that I am in bigger, I am showing. देखिए कैसे होगा, E then A, B के बाद क्या मिलेगा हमें, ये A B B स्टार A इसका होल स्टार, बिकॉज ये पूरा का होल स्टार आ भी सकता है, नहीं। आफ्टर दैट वी कैन गेट either B or B A B B star A whole star, then we can get A B B star this. So after this B we can come, or B then this A B B star B A. Okay, so these two I have given by getting B. Okay, now for AB this, if I get this, then this, then this, then this. Okay, so to another we have to give. Okay, so how it will be, AB BB star A, then you will go to this A BB star A whole star, then you will get B into Q0. now ठीक है, आप मिला लीजिए यहाँ से। now this A B BB star A, then A BB star A, then whole star. So here you have written B, then here you have to write this A BB star EA. You have written all the transition that you missed. You have written 4 transitions. This 1, 2, 3, 4. Because B, then any combination of this A B B star A whole star B you given, then B any combination of this, then this, then like this AB, here AB BB star A, then any combination of this, then B. Now I will delete. After deleting Q3, this you are going to miss, that you have given B. इज इट क्लियर? देखिए मैं इसी में इसलिए बताया ताकि आप लोग को समझ में आए। देखिए क्लियर है ये? देखिए ये भी लूप में है, ये भी लूप में है, मतलब हम इसको कॉमा में लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये सारे कॉमा में है, हमें इसको, अच्छा देखिए ये भी लूप में है, Q0 को ये भी लूप में है, और ये सब भी लूप में ही है। तो कॉमा देके आप यही सबको सब साथ में लिख सकते हैं। तो आप लोग को क्या मिला, इनिशियल स्टेट इधर है, ठीक है। थोड़ा छोटा बनाते हैं, लिख पाए हम लोग। देखिए ये सब क्वेश्चंस थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, मैं क्लास में जनरली ये क्वेश्चन नहीं लेता, तो आपको कभी डिमोटिवेटेड नहीं होना है। गेट एग्जाम आपको हार्डनेस चेक नहीं करता है, ठीक है। गेट एग्जाम में आपका 20% क्वेश्चंस तो टफ होगा, लेकिन 20% ईजी होगा। 20% टफ होता है, जनरल पैटर्न है, 20% ईजी होता है, और 60% एवरेज होता है। ये जो चीज़ है ना, ये इसी से टॉपर डिसाइड होता है, ये तो बहुत कम ही लोग ही कर पाते हैं। हमारा मेन फोकस इसमें होना चाहिए, जब ये पूरा कंप्लीट हो तो इसमें जाना चाहिए, ठीक है। और ये सब क्या है, यूट्यूब क्लासेस है, तो यूट्यूब में को A प्लस BB you people try. So in gate exam they will give the options, you can eliminate the option, आप options eliminate कीजिए। now see from here again, A AB, then AB 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 Now try to check whether it is a correct or not. Correct regular expression for that. All is possible. There was one string which I used to check. Then this string a, here number of a 1 2 3 4 5. Number of a is here is 5. Number of b here is 3. Okay, so it is having odd number of a. From here you are able to generate ab from the beginning, ab, then again from here ab, then again you repeat ab, and one problem possible है. थोड़ा कुछ कैसे हो रहा था ये मैं खुद भूल गया. ए बी ए बी, then again a b, a a b, then again a b, a a b का कुछ देना पड़ेगा. हो गया उस नहीं, ये स्ट्रिंग नहीं है, ये तो गलत हो गया. ये तो ये कैसे जनरेट होगा, नहीं होगा शायद. सारा स्ट्रिंग जो इसमें बिलोंग कर रहा है क्या वो जनरेट कर रहा है कि नहीं, देखिए. इन दोनों के वजह से ए और बी भी मिल रहा है. मिनिमम स्ट्रिंग लेंथ आपको ए और बी भी मिल रहा है, ए और बी भी मिल रहा है. अब तक तो ये सही लग रहा है. सारे पॉसिबल देखना पड़ेगा. देखता हूँ एक बार. ऑप्शंस रहने से इजी हो जाता है. गेट एग्जाम में तो इजी हो जाएगा, यहाँ ऑप्शंस नहीं है इसलिए दिक्कत होती है. ए बी 5 6 7 7 5 6 1 7. बस ये देख लो तो ये क्या जनरेट हो रहा है क्या. ए बी यहाँ से, फिर ए यहाँ से, फिर बी ए यहाँ से आ गया, फिर ए बी चाहिए तो ये सही लग रहा है, देखना पड़ेगा. अभी मैं रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन जो हम लोग का फाइनल आएगा उससे भी एक बार वेरीफाई करेंगे ये सही है कि नहीं. आप लोग सबको ट्राई कीजिएगा क्या ये सही है कि नहीं, ठीक है. तक तो सही रहा है लेकिन अभी तक हम लोग कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते. हम लोग इसका क्या करेंगे, इसका रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन क्या हो जाएगा, सब पे लूप है, किस तरह दिखेगा. जीरो सेलन क्यू 0 7. ग्रुप में सब कुछ लिख देंगे हम लोग. ग्रुप में क्या क्या होगा, एक था, ये था। देखिए ये आंसर मिलेगा ना तो आप लोग वेरीफाई कर पाएंगे, ये स्टार बी ए था। तो ये सारा भी लूप में आएगा, सब लिख देते हैं। ए स्टार ए स्टार ए स्टार स्टार ए बी स्टार, क्या फिर बी ए होगा। हाँ ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं क्यों ले लिया इसे। ठीक है, ये सब इतने डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस गेट में शायद नहीं आएंगे। ठीक है, तो रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन क्या हो जाएगा, सबका प्लस हो जाएगा, तो एक्सप्रेशन सबका प्लस हो जाएगा, एन ए बी स्टार प्लस। ठीक है, this is done, this is the regular. If you delete this you have to put plus, and to whole everything it is going to be star. Now you will only delete q0. When you delete q0 you have to do plus of everything and you have to put whole star.